Okay, Miss Roldan, in answer to your question, obviously I'm using a video. All right, so when you come into the site, the Brightspace site, you know to go into tools, go into groups. Okay, now you're not going to see, as you well know, you're not going to see all of this. You're in group five. Okay, so where you see group five, look around, you'll see discussions. Click into discussions. Okay, and here is the discussion topics. Okay, choose a team manager. That's what you have to do first. And then you choose a team name. And then you click in. Okay, just a second. Did the wrong thing. Okay, click in. All right. Choose a team name, a team manager. Okay. Here is the discussion board, the topic. Okay. Click in. You see the assignment, then you start a new thread. Okay. And that's all there is to it. And do everything else, just follow the prompts. Okay. If you still have questions, okay, and the students in your group might even have a shorter way of doing this, fine, it doesn't really matter, just as long as you get the assignment. But just to go over again quickly, go into tools, go into groups, go into group five. That's where, because that's what you'll see, group five, discussions. Okay, click in, discussion topics, choose a team manager. Okay, click in, view topic and reading view so that you can see the entire, and then start a new thread, just as you did with the discussion board in Blackboard. Okay, if you still have questions, just let me know through send me a text or post in the Q&A, or send me an email, whichever is easy for you. All right, thanks a lot, Miss Roldan. Thank you for your question. Bye-bye.